This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2023 Haval Jolion, stock number 6719. It's ran from the first 2022 to the current shape. It has an A01 1.5 litre hybrid electric engine backed by a 2-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1.5 litre hybrid petrol engine. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory magnetic tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory magnetic tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory magnetic tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,